Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to solve one of the exams questions which came in 2020 in CSSE. And as you can see on the board, okay, there is a question. It says, this is the question is about for four positive whole numbers A, B, C and D. You are not told the values of these numbers, but they follow these rules. A equal to B times 2, B equal to C times 3, C equal to D times 4. So these are the rules they're given, okay? They are not giving the values, okay? And as we know, okay, if there is no value given, okay, or unknown number, so we can represent by X or variable, okay, between A to Z. So the same way you need to solve about how we can work out the unknown number which can be represented by X, Y, Z or any alphabet between A to Z. And the part A is asking what must be the value of B times C divided by A times D. So this is the questions, okay? So first we need to work out, okay, A, B, C and D, okay? So if I say that A, B, C and D, they are giving the rule what? So A equal to B times 2, B equal to C times 3 and C equal to D times 4. So we need to work out, okay, B times C divided by A times D. Look at this one. So B is given, okay, C is also given, A is also given. But the problem is that they are not giving D. So I'm going to start with the question D. So if I assume the D is an unknown number which we don't know, so I can write down the D equal to X. So D, a number which is unknown, which represented by X. Now I'm going to backward calculation first. Go for C. C equal to D times 4. So D times 4. If I substitute the value of D, which is X, so it means this will become 4X. So X times 4 is 4X. So C value will be 4X. Now I'm going to find B. So B equal to C times 3. Look at this one, okay? We know the value of C equal to 4X. So we need to substitute this value to the equation B equal to C times 3. So 4x times 3. So which is equal to 12x. Now go for A. A equal to B times 2. Look at this one, we work out. So B equal to 12x. So we need to substitute the value of 12x for the equation number A. So A equal to B is 12x and times by 2, which is 24x. I'm going to repeat this one again, okay? Bit tricky. So how we can work out this question, okay? They are giving you four numbers, okay, which are unknown, okay? The value are not given. but they are giving you the rules, okay, how we can solve this question. So they said A equal to B time 2 and B equal to C time 3 and C equal to D time 4. So the missing number, the last one, the value is D, because we know the A, B, C, but the D are not given. So what I'm doing, okay, I assume the D equal to X. And after finding the value of D, which is X, to be substitute accordingly C, B and A. So the C equal to D times 4 and D equal to X. So X times 4 is 4X. So the final value of C equal to 4X. Exactly the same way, okay? We know that the B equal to C times 3. And the C we work out, which is equal to 4X. This 4X to be substitute with a B value, which is 4X times 3, which is 12X. And the last one, which is A equal to B times 2. So I substitute the value of B, which is 12X. So 12X going to be substitute here. So 12 times 2 is 24. So this is the value of A, B, C, D. Now we need to calculate as per given formula, okay? They are asking about what? B times C divided by A times D. So it means we work out already. So we need to now, the B we found 12X and the value of C is 4X multiplied by 4X. A equal to 24X and D value equal to X. So I just figure out the values, okay, according to given A equal to B times 2, B equal to C times 3 and C equal to D times 4. And after that I substitute those values, okay, which are X, 4X, 12X, 24X according to this question. And now look at this one. If I simplify this one, 12 times 4 is 48. X times X is X squared. 24 is X means 1. So 24 times 1 is 24. X times X is X squared. So look at this one. This cancel with this. 24 times 1 and 24 times 2 is 48. So what is the answer? Okay, what is the value? Okay, if we times B times C divided by times A times D, so the answer will be 2. So the answer for the question number A, okay, will be 2. Now I'm going to move for the question number 2, part B. So the part B says if A is less than 250, what is the maximum possible value of D? So the question is a B part. If A is less than 250, what is the maximum possible value of D? if A is less than 250, what is the maximum possible value of D? So we need to go what? A, okay? So A equal to, we found it, 24x. So they said if A is less than 250, so I'm going to do A, which is equal to 24x, and x equal to D. So they are given if A is less than 250, okay? So what is the maximum possible value of D? So if I say that, assume the value is A is 250, okay? 24x divide by both sides, okay? So look at this one. If I divide completely 250 divided by 24, which will be 10.41. 10.41. But examiner asked less than 250. So it means if I could put here 240 divided by 24, so it can be completely divided by 10. So it means the maximum possible value for D will be 10. So our final answer will be D. So this is the answer for part B. So the part B is asking about what? If A is less than 250, okay? What is the maximum possible value? So what we do, we know that the equation of A equal to 24x. So A equal to 24x, and I substitute the value they already given. They are given what? Less than 250, but they are not giving you the exact number. So what we do, I just simply substitute 250 divided by 24 and I get the answer 10.41. And then I reduce by 10, which is exactly divisible by 10. So 24 divided by 10 is 250. So the less than number, which will be 240. So your answer will be 10 when you divide by 240 divided by 24. Now move for part C. And the part C is asking about which of A, B, C, D must be closest to the average of A, B, C and D. So I'm going to solve the question number C. The question number part C says, okay, C is what? Which of A, B, C and D must be closest to the average of A, B, C and D. So which of A, B, C and D must be closest to the average of A, B, C and D? So in this question, if you recall my video about the mean, median and mode, okay, so we need to just simplify the average. How we can find the average? We just sum up the data, divide by the number of data. So exactly the same way you need to calculate. They are giving you the four number A, B, C, D. And the values are given 24, 12x, 4x and x. So look at this one, okay? So how we can calculate the average of these A, B, C, D? So they are asking about what? So A, B, C, D. So which of, okay, among them, okay, number closest to the average. So first we need to find the average of these four number, okay? So if I say that A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4, so which is called average? And value of A, we can substitute. The value of A is 24x, value of B is 12x, value of C is 4x, and value of D, which is x, and divide by 4. So I'm going to find out the average for A, B, C and D. So if I add 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 24, which is 40, and plus x, which is 41 over 4. So if I divide by 4 times 41, which is 10.25, yeah. So the average for A, B, C, D, which is 10.25. 10.25x. So now you go back the values of A, B, C, D, in which of them close to 10.25. Look at this one, because D equal to x, okay, C equal to 4x, B equal to 12x, A equal to 24x. So the 10.25 closest to which number? Look at this one, 12x. So it means the final answer for part C will be, you need to just simply write down, they are asking which of A, B, C, D must be closest. So you need to simply write the answer B. So the B will be the answer, because the value of B, which is 12x, close to the average of these four number, which is 10.25. So that's why your answer will be B. So that's it for today, and it's very important questions. You need to practice for this one. And if you have any query, any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.